Kashmir Solidarity Day, or Kashmir Day, is a national holiday in Pakistan on 5 February each year. It is an observance of Pakistan's support of and unity with the people of Indian Occupied Kashmir efforts to end illegal occupation of India and to pay homage to the Kashmiris who have died in the conflict. Solidarity rallies are held in Pakistan-administered Azad Kashmir and by some members of the Mirpuri diaspora. Kashmir Day was first proposed by Qazi Hussain Ahmed of the Jamaat-e-Islami Party in Pakistan in 1990. In 1991, the then Prime Minister of Pakistan Nawaz Sharif called for a Kashmir Solidarity Day strike. Sharif had come to power with the help of Jamaat the previous year. The 1991 event was also a Jamaat affair. The present Kashmir Solidarity Day was started by the Pakistan's Minister for Kashmir Affairs and Northern Areas in 2004. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.